Hello, scholars. Today we're going to begin your second project where we are going to talk about cool and warm colors. Colors that you find in the rainbow, colors that you see all around our world. What are cool and warm colors? First of all, we have cool colors, which are the colors that are made using green, blue, purples, sort of like the colors of the sky sometimes in the day or the ocean. Colors that are very cool. And what are warm colors? Colors that look like the sun, that are bright, red, orange, yellow, like a sunflower, and all the pretty bright colors that you see in the sky as well. Here are some examples of some things that are warm. Again, so we're looking for colors that are red, like strawberries, orange, like peppers, and yellow, like the sun. Those are our warm colors. So when we talk about cool colors, they are the blues and the greens and sort of that limey color, that lime green, and purples. Those make up our cool colors. Here are just a couple of samples of some lovely drawings where some students were using just the blues. And that's what you're going to be doing. You will be creating a drawing where we are going to do some fun, scribble, doodle, very fun shapes. And one part of your paper will have warm colors and the other part will have cool colors. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do your project. It's really easy and fun. I am at my desk and I actually went ahead and separated my colors just so I won't get confused, and I put all my cool colors here and all my warm colors here. I'm using markers, but you can use crayons if that's all you have, because even in crayons you'll see that we also have cool colors and warm colors. So it's up to you what you want to use. Now, I call this a scribble drawing because that's the fun part, is that I'm just going to do any kind of scribble, and I'm going to take my paper and make it go horizontal this way instead of this way, but you're welcome to do it the other way because I want to fold my paper in half. That way I know that I have two halves, right? I have one half here, one half here. And then I'm just going to do a giant scribble. Let's see how it goes for us here today. All right, so. Okay, and I think that's good. Maybe I'll do a few more lines here, connect those. So this is a scribble. And it's okay, whatever your scribble looks like. Now I know that on one half of my paper, all this is going to be painted. And let's write the word so I don't forget. I'm going to put my cool colors here. Right? And on this side, I'm going to put my warm colors. Right? So I'm going to start with, oh, I don't know, green. And you know what? I'm going to use crayons. I just had a feeling that crayons are going to be more fun. I have to do a lot of coloring in. So I'm going to use crayons and I'm going to just color all this green. Here we go. Try real careful to stay in the lines. You saw that I did my scribbling, my lines, with a marker because that way I can see them really well. Whenever you're coloring, you want to turn your paper around so that you can follow the lines and not get all outside the lines. So I keep going like this. It just helps me a lot if I keep turning my paper. Sometimes I like to listen to music when I'm coloring. It just helps me to concentrate, as long as the music's not too crazy, you know, like, because sometimes music makes me want to dance. So if I listen to quiet music, then I kind of feel very peaceful and I can color very, very nice. Okay, staying inside the line. So far, what do you think? I've got green, blue, purple, and look, this is still half of my paper. Sometimes you can fold the paper so you don't get confused, because now I'm going to add a different color here. What you can color on top, you can mix your colors. So if I put this green, it really looks sort of yellow. And we said yellow was a warm color. I'm going to put another on top of that one, and it gets kind of like a darker green. I mean, it becomes more of a yellow green, which is kind of fun to mix colors. And again, I'm staying inside the line. Look at that. It's a kind of a crazy color, but there's my colors. So I've got my cool colors. So guess what I get to do on the other side? The warm colors. All right? So you have the idea. I'm going to continue, but you don't have to watch me do the whole thing. And you're going to fill in the other side. Remember the colors we said? We said that our warm colors are red, orange, yellows, pinks. Different kinds of oranges will work. So you're going to start putting in all the warm colors on this side.